Okay, if your GoPro Volta is not charging, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this. Okay, this is what you're going to want to do. Right there is your mode button, which is your on and off button. This is your shutter button, which is what starts and stops recording. But what you're going to want to do is push both of those in at the same time for 8 seconds. Okay, as you've seen, those lights came on and now it's blinking. And a whole row of lights came on when you held it in for 8 seconds. That should reset your Volta, so therefore you'll be able to take a charge now.